And then we come to the sixth stage, destruction. So what's happened now is the radiant energy is accumulated in the liver, it's spread to fill the liver, it's spread out of the liver into the small intestine, it's affected the digestion and digestive tract, then it's moved and isolated to a weak spot in the body and taken over that spot in the body, yeah? Then, which has created intolerances. Then it's manifested as a physical disorder or illness, which will be chronic inflammation in this case, yeah? And then it becomes destructive. So it's manifested to become chronic inflammation, yeah? But now it's starting to move through all the body. It's basically starting to take over the body. And this is when it comes to the destruction stage, which is things like Crohn's, liver cancer, celiac. So as you can see here, is that always through lives and with inside ourselves, and if we're honest with ourselves, we've always got checkpoints to know where we're at in terms of our body and our own health, yeah? But the big awareness I want to bring here is majority of this is happening under the surface without anyone actually being able to see it or detect it. It's generally not until here, until chronic inflammation, chronic pain starts, that people go and get checked by doctors, and even then doctors don't always pick it up, yeah? And then they may find out about, you know, these intolerances or these deficiencies and things like that, yeah? So this is why it's imperative and important for you to become your own medical insurer, to become in tune with your own body, so you can understand your own body and actually care for your own body.